You're welcome back to my channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it because it might be helpful to your family and friends. So the first thing you do is you harvest the palm fruit from the plantation. Then probably you can sterilize the palm fruit using water or steam to soften it. Then before this is done, and then the next thing you do is you use this machine. This is called African separating machine to separate the palm fruit from the chaff. So you do this gently. You check the palm fruit, you pour it on the machine, then gently you can see the chaff is being separated from the palm fruit. So after that, this is the palm fruit. You store it inside a bag. So the next thing you'll be doing is this is the boiling process. You boil it. You can see it's on fire already. Then this is the machine, the pounding machine. This is the machine that pounds it. Then after pounding it, and you now transfer it to the nut fiber separating machine. This is what separates the nut from the fiber. This is the pressing machine that presses out the oil. Here is the oil.